Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Windows XP on your virtual machine. First of all, you'll need to open the app and just add a new virtual machine and type in Windows XP, and then you just set up to 512 megabytes. Just click next, 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 and then create. And then you have here a memory card. The download link will gonna be in the description down below. In that website I've just opened right now, you just scroll down and you're gonna see two download links. One for the 32-bit and the second one for the 64-bit. I downloaded the 32-bit, and the download file will gonna be like almost 620 megabytes. So I've already downloaded and the file is here. I open up VirtualBox, I click the run button, the start button I mean, and then boot it up the device. I click that yellow file button and then choose that file, the ISO file from the desktop. And then I click the start button. So what's doing now, it's starting up the virtual machine to install the Windows XP. Okay, press the ESC button and then choose the first option, and then choose the NTFC file system format partitions. You click continue, and then here what it's going to do is the formatting process and then installation process of the Windows XP. It will take like a few minutes. I just speed up the video for you guys to see everything. Now what it's going to do is copying the files to the virtual machine box. Don't click anything when not the same. Okay. Now I speeded the video up to 4 times faster than the normal speed, and now just wait until everything is installed and just click next. You write your name, you next. Just type in your name there and then you click next, and now it's starting installing Windows XP and everything in it. It will take like a few minutes, but I'll speed up the video so it can install faster. Alright. Now the VirtualBox is restarted again, and now Windows XP is booting up. For the first time it will take like few minutes and it will show please wait message. You just click OK on that, and then you click OK again, and then Windows XP will start right now. As you can see here, Windows XP is starting. Let me that question bar is showing up. Let me fix the screen for you guys so we can see the full screen. Just wait a second. Okay, now you can see the full screen on my screen. The first time you're going to see this, you just click the next, next, and next. Now if you're going to check the internet connection, just press on next. Next. Now it will ask you to write your name. Just write your name and then next and next. Finish. When you click the finish, the Windows XP will start booting up and will show you the start menu and done. The start menu, the Internet Explorer, the games, and Windows Movie Maker, and done. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Share this video. Hope you like it. Bye.